So I'm like super late on posting this, but as you can see, car's back together. But if you haven't noticed, I'm back on jack stands. So what happened was, put the car back together, changed fourth gear, and one of the bearings was kind of iffy on the which one was it? On the main shaft. And against my better judgment, I put it back together, drove the car, and you can hear one of the bearings inside howling. So, had to order bearings. This is like 2 weeks ago now. And parts should be in tomorrow, but yeah. So, me being cheap kind of bit me in the ass. And I'm gonna take the car back apart today. Parts should come in tomorrow. I should have it all together by tomorrow night or the day after. So just a little lesson, like, don't be cheap. Don't be cheap, get all the stuff you need, do it once. I mean, it is what it is. I really can't change nothing now, but yeah. So, there it is. So, I don't know if you can see that. I don't think that's right. My hero, look, Trans is in. He helped.
10 minutes compared to this asshole's hour and a half.
Last time it just took forever.